पिछले वीडियो में हमने आइडेंटिटी नंबर 9 तक पढ़ा था। इस वीडियो में हम आइडेंटिटी नंबर 10 तक पढ़ेंगे। तो यहाँ हमारी पहली आइडेंटिटी है ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू होल ब्रैकेट ए प्लस बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय होल ब्रैकेट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस ए बी। तो ये है हमारी आइडेंटिटी। So let us prove this identity, that in the identity, I think in the identity number 9, you have seen that here is given a plus b whole cube. So in that identity there is also given a cube plus b cube. The full identity is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab whole bracket a plus b. So here is also given a cube plus b cube. So according to the rule of LHS equals to RHS. You can also say that if we take this to LHS side and this to RHS side, we can say that a cube plus b cube is equals to whole bracket a plus b whole cube multiplied by minus 3ab whole bracket a plus b. So when we short this, you can see that there are a plus b and a plus b. Here are a plus b is common. So let us take a common a plus b. A plus b as a common. We have taken a plus b as a common. So now whole square minus 3ab. When we solve this, our answer is same as this. Means when we solve this and when we solve this, both answers are equal. There is only difference that we have taken the common a plus b and here is not common. So now when we open a plus b whole square, it will become a square plus b square plus 2ab and then ये minus 3ab, and then when we simplify this, we get a plus b whole bracket multiplied by a square plus b square minus ab. So we have proved this identity. Let us take an example based on this identity. So our example is, we have to simplify this example, which is 2x plus 3y multiplied by 4x square plus 9y square minus 6xy. So we can see this equation is given in the form of a plus b whole bracket multiplied by whole bracket a square plus b square minus ab. So we can solve this equation by the formula by the formula a cube plus b cube. We can solve this equation using the formula a cube plus b cube. So when we take a is equals to 2x and b is equals to 3y, so our answer will be 2x cube multiplied by plus 3y cube. So our answer will be 8 x cube plus 27y cube. So this is our answer. So we have completed the identity number 10, which is a cube plus b cube minus is equals to whole bracket a plus b multiplied by whole bracket a square plus b square minus ab. In next video, we're gonna discuss about the identity number 11.